So Howard has a healthy small gallbladder. That's why it's tough to find. Yeah. I would say that the things to get comfortable with are, just holding the thing.
Hey everybody, my name is Mike Halperin. I work at JAHJAH in the Bronx. Probably been down here helping Trev and his crew out for a few years now. Always fun, always exciting to be here.
Right, so we're at the 17th annual Ultrasound conference, and the emphasis these days is on the handheld ultrasound program.
Yeah.
How's that going?
I think it's going amazing. It's most impressive to see docs who received the handheld devices in years past giving presentations about the amazing pathology and medicine they're doing.
So it's really like super users now.
Yeah, there's no deficits as far as we can see, as far as the skill sets of docs who've had these devices in their hand for a little while and are incorporating it clinically into their daily practice. Probably in many ways outpacing the educators here. So it's really cool to see.
And you find that some of them are coming up with some unique cases that are unique to Jamaica?
Yeah. I mean, I think there's going to be, indications and uses in the different hospital settings here in Jamaica that are going to, each institution is going to be different as far as access to imaging. And I think oftentimes in medicine, lack of other modalities in imaging leads to innovations in point-of-care ultrasound. So I think that's very likely to occur if it's not occurring already.
All right, so this is your baby. It's a big project for you. Are you pleased with how it's coming along?
Oh yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I sort of like field questions here and there at this point, but I really feel like the docs and the trainees who've been exposed to this modality in the past through this program are now fully capable of not just practicing the medicine at the bedside, but also teaching their peers and colleagues about how to incorporate the modality. So that's what's awesome.
All right, well, on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica, I'd like to say thank you to you and the team from JAHJAH. Keep up the great work, all right?
Thanks. Happy to be here. JAHJAH Foundation.